Traders, Zelman here, August 20th, 2018. It's after the market closed. It's a Monday. Going to report on ticker symbol HEME, HealthMed Services. I've been watching her for a while. This is another trading report update, so let's take it here. You can see from my previous tutorial, we created a trend line. Currently, it's trading at that trend line. This uptrend right here. Drop below it throughout the day, and then by the end of the day it closed positive. So that's good. We want her to stay above that uptrend by any closing day. That's our goal. She can do that, we're okay. She done this over here before, and she trailed up, right? So now she dropped again, and we're over here. This is a trading channel. We got higher lows again, we got higher highs again. We have a similar trade, I believe, a similar trading pattern with NBDR, Nancy Boyd David Robert. Take a look at that. You'll see a similar trading pattern, but NBDR actually held. Let's see if HEME could hold tomorrow. You know, I honestly think with the total amount of shares that they have at the float, it's pretty cheap, and there's a lot of things going on. So we'll see where she goes. I do think this is her bottom right here. This is this downtrend. She's going to trade based along these lines. I would like to see her to go higher, but like this approach, first one up, and then sadly trade sideways, upward. So this can do something on a smaller frame where it can go up this way, up to the trend, uptrend, maybe just below, and then just trade sideways, and then hopefully she can break through. That's the goal. Obviously this is just a picture that's painted in my mind of what it looks like and how it should perform. I really expect it to stay above the uptrend, and we'll see what happens moving forward. If you want to take a live trading course with me, you can visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, and review the live trading course section.